Step 1. Left-click Start button. Type Control Panel. Left-click Control Panel. Step 2. Select small icons in View By, as in this video. Left-click Windows Defender Firewall. Left-click Change Notification Settings. Step 3. For internal network, Intranet, set the private network settings to turn on or off Windows Firewall. For public network, Intranet, set the public network settings to turn on or off Windows Firewall. Click subscribe to Users Productions YouTube channel.